Hello everyone, this is Bella from Landpack. Today I'd like to introduce our chocolate packaging line. This is 2+1 chocolate packaging line. It was ordered by our USA customer. Now I will introduce this line one by one. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first part is the product feeding line. It's connected with the customer production line. And then the product gets through this conveyor belt. The product was divided into two lines to two packaging machines. Okay, this is the metal detector. If there are any metal inside the bag, this machine will reject the product into this hopper. And then the product gets through this sorting part. There are four parts to ensure the product in one line neatly. It was controlled by 4 servo motors, and you can adjust the speed by this speed control. Okay, and then the product will get into this part. It's to ensure the product goes through this part with right direction. If the product goes through with the horizontal direction, the product will fill into this hopper. And then the product goes into this sorting part. There are 4 parts and there are 6 sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sensors to ensure the product gets through this conveyor belt neatly and beautiful. Okay, and then the product goes to the high-speed packing machine. This line with 2 high-speed packaging lines. One machine, the speed is 400 to 450. 2 machines, the total speed is 800 to 900. Let's show the machine. There are 2 roll film. When one roll film runs out of the film, another film will connect automatically. And this is the printer, the date printer machine, and you can control the temperature by this controller. And here is the finished product. Okay, let's run the machine to check it how it's working. This is our chocolate packing line. If you are interested in our chocolate packing line or cookies packing line, just contact Landpack by blue website. Okay, bye-bye.